Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of image and document privacy. We'll be exploring 4 powerful tools that can help you remove and edit metadata to ensure your files are as private as you want them to be. Let's get started. First up, we have Metadata Cleaner. This user-friendly app is a metadata cleaner which lets you remove metadata from your photos with just a few taps. It's very good for those who just want a very perfect, quick, and easy way to enhance their privacy. Let's take a look at the metadata cleaner. You see I already had some images here which I've cleaned out, but let's do some other ones. Here we have an MP4 file. Here we have a JPG file. And you see we have PDF file up here. I'll just say clean. First let me cancel these right here. And there we go, clean. The app will strip away all the unwanted metadata. There we go. Next we have the JExit tool. The JExit tool is a versatile tool for viewing and editing metadata in files. While it's known for its command line interface, JExit also offers a user-friendly GUI, graphical user interface. For those who prefer a graphical approach, the GUI makes it easy to navigate and edit metadata without needing to remember complex commands. And it's very simple. Just pick an image from your files and just drag and drop it. You go here to, you can view your data and then go to edit metadata, and it will take you to your camera, date and time, and creative tags. And you can edit all this. You can put in your own inputs. I'm going to show you a quick example. So, for the make of the camera, we're going to say it's a Canon. For the model, an EOS 5D Mark. For the time, 2023, 10:01, 14 hours, 30 minutes, and 0 seconds. And we'll do the same thing for the original time and the create date. As for the creator tags, we'll put the artist and creator as John Doe. Sure, we're all familiar with him or her. And for copyrights, John Doe. And for the comments, the user comment, I'll just put something simple like, this is a simple image for metadata demonstration. Now, if you want, you can back up the original photo by clicking here. But just make sure you select the photo, hit save to selected image, go back to view the data, and here we go. John Doe. This is a simple image for metadata demonstration. Okay. Next up, we have obfuscate. What is obfuscate? Now, obfuscate is a unique application that focuses on obscuring sensitive information from your images. Unlike other tools, obfuscate specializes in blurring and redacting data within images, providing a straightforward way to protect your privacy. Okay. So it's very simple. Just open up a file. I'm going to just pick a random one for an example. Let's say this was a file or an image that had information, and some of that information was sensitive. You can just redact the information you choose to redact, or you can blur it. But I don't recommend blurring because there are tools to reverse engineer that to lighten up the blur, remove the blur so that you can be able to see and read what's behind it. So redacting is definitely way better. Next up, last but not least, we have what's called Stegosuit. Now, Stegosuit, it's an app which lets you embed hidden messages within files, usually within an image, making them invincible to the naked eye. So here's an example. You pick an image, okay, and you put a message like, share, and subscribe. You enter a password, zim, zim. You hit embed. Now you go to file, you open, and I'm looking, and where is it? Pictures. Home as I downloads. Okay. And here we go. And zim zim. Extract. Like, share, and subscribe. Well, and there you have it, folks. 4 powerful tools to help you enhance the privacy of your images and document by removing and editing metadata. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there's something here for you. Thank you for watching, and stay private out there.